A very good morning to my dear children. Today, in our online class, we shall be doing the last method of banking latest trends. E-banking. E stands for electronic. Therefore, e-banking means electronic banking where transactions are done over the internet with the help of a computer system. That means a user must have a computer system and an internet connection to reach out or connect the website of the concerned bank. In e-banking, there is no face-to-face contact between the bank and the client. It is very important to have a computer because all the transactions are done through it. E-banking is not compulsory or mandatory for everybody. The client has to give e-banking option to the bank. But for that, the bank staff and the client must know or understand the e-banking technology, that means how to use it. In the modern era of technology, e-banking has become very popular because of the following reasons. First, it provides around the clock service. That means 24/7 and 365 days it can be used. It can be done from anywhere, whether you are at your home or at your office or even when you're traveling. You can avail this facility. There is no requirement to go to the bank. E-banking inculcates a sense of financial discipline because each and every transactions are recorded. It also provides sense of security to the client because there is no risk of carrying cash. It also gives satisfaction because customer can have unlimited access to e-banking due to it is around the clock service and it can be operated from anywhere. Advantages of e-banking to the bank. It gains competitive advantage. Means customers will go to that bank which offers or provide e-banking services and not to the ones who do not provide e-banking services. And since the network of banks are expanded far and wide, so everybody has an easy access to it. However, e-banking suffers from the following demerits. First, investment of money. E-banking technology requires lot of investment of cash not only to purchase the technology but also for the training of its employees. Second, training is required and training becomes difficult when the staff is reluctant towards it. There are often chances of defect or virus coming up in the technology. Our next question is, in what ways or in what forms e-banking are available? E-banking are available in the following ways. First, EFTS. E stands for Electronic Funds Transfer System. That means funds can be transferred electronically from one account to another. Second, ATM, Automatic Teller Machine. Automatic teller machine traditional role was only to withdraw money, but with increase in the horizon of activities of humans in daily life, ATM also provides the following services like depositing of cash, passbook printer and information center. Next, debit card. Debit card is used to purchase goods. As per traditional practice, amount is given in hand by the buyer to the seller. But to avoid the risk of carrying cash, debit card is used so that amount is transferred from an account to the other account. For this, the card holder has to deposit money with the issuer of debit card. As I told you earlier, it is used to make immediate payment for the goods purchased. The card contains the name, phone number and address of card holder. Next, the card holder does not get any credit facility. Credit facility means that payment is not made in future. Payment is made immediately at the buying of the goods or at the time of delivery of goods. For this, the card holder has to pay some charges to the issuer of the debit card. However, in some cases, he may get incentives in the form of discounts from the issuer. Debit card is not only used to make purchases, but the holder can also use the card to withdraw money from the ATM. Next, credit card. Like debit card, credit card is also used to purchase goods or services, but unlike debit card, payment can be made in future. So, the basic difference between debit card and credit card is that in debit card, amount is immediately transferred from one account to another account, whereas in credit card, payment is made in future. Therefore, credit card is issued only to those people or customers who enjoy good reputation with the bank. The card holder need not have to deposit money in his account or in the bank to get a credit card. Thus, credit card is basically an overdraft or credit facility. As I told you earlier, credit facility means paying in future. Just like debit card, credit card also has the name, photo, signature of the customer. Credit card, as just like debit card, is used to buy goods and services, whereas the cardholder makes the payment only after using the card. For this, the cardholder has to pay some charges for the card and in some cases may get some incentives or gifts from the issuer of the card. Next, telebanking. Personal computer of a customer is linked by telephone to the bank's computer. Computer gets info about the balance in his account and latest transaction. This facility is available round the clock. Next is CBS, Core Banking Solution. In yesterday's online class, I had given you a one-line definition of CBS. I told you that in case if you open an account in a CBS enabled bank, this gives you an advantage that anywhere in the country you can operate your account. For example, if you have an account in PNB of Dehradun, then you can operate PNB's bank branches from anywhere in India. Thus, in core banking solution, customer becomes customer of the bank rather than customer of a branch. Only by opening a bank account in one branch, customer can operate the same account in all the CBS branches of the same bank anywhere. But for this, bank gives customer a unique ID. With this ID, customer can go to the respective bank of some other place and open an account. He need not have to go through the same filling of form procedures or any other formalities. The facilities which core banking solution gives are instant transfer of funds, cash withdrawal from any of CBS branches, and updating of passbook at all CBS branches. Next, mobile banking means banking transaction through mobile phones like ePay, etc. Next, SMS alert. In SMS alert, customer gives his mobile number to the bank. The bank records the number in computer system in the customer's account. Whenever there is a transaction, a SMS pops up on the customer's mobile number. SMS tells the nature, that is whether a debit transaction has taken place or a credit transaction has taken place, on what date and the amount of transaction. These basic information is given through SMS. Thus, customer gets all information without even visiting a bank. Thank you. That was the end of our today's online class, and our chapter ends today.